Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by combining noodles and a simple egg binder so they fry evenly. Once the pan is hot, toss drained noodles into the skillet to warm and loosen. This helps eggs adhere. Meanwhile, beat 2 eggs with 1 tsp salt and 1 tablespoon oil. The oil prevents sticking and produces a silkier coating. Make sure noodles are just warmed, not overcooked, because you want them to crisp when they meet the egg, so act quickly and confidently. Now you control texture by separating space in the skillet and pouring eggs into the cleared area. This creates pockets of crispness. Once the eggs start to set, fold them through the noodles so each strand gets a thin coating. This makes a uniform, slightly glossy finish. Add 1 tablespoon soy sauce and 1 tsp sesame oil near the end to prevent burning the sugars. Make sure to fold briefly. Overstirring makes the eggs rubbery, so you keep tender bites and a little crunch. You finish by tossing in toasted sesame seeds and freshly ground pepper, then plating right away so the noodles stay crisp. Once done, let the pan cool a bit before scraping to avoid burning the next batch. If the dish becomes soggy, raise heat for 30-60 seconds and spread noodles in a thin layer to evaporate moisture and recrisp. However, make sure not to char them. Finally, taste and adjust salt. Serve hot for best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.